3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. We start with the styling. We do 1. And then as we bring the girl to walk forward instead of backwards, we make 2 into the woman's Aida. By end, we bring the hand up and move to the side. And then I go forward with the right leg, and she also free. It's important to turn the leg here so I can turn fast on the 4. And 4. Watch, on the 4 I was sliding with the hand here, came on her hip and here on her elbow. 4, left. Then on the 5, I bring her to the side and make break, and make power. And then tilt her body to the right, 6. And then let her flow downwards with the body weight on the leg. 7, and then catch again, 8. Okay? Good, again. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the 8, what I can do, put the body connection. If I want. If not, I can make the next part like this. Balance it, 4. And again. Or I can make it with a body connection 7, 8, and then I put some flow into it. 4. Then from here, I will change the hand to the side and go forward in the men's Aida. That means I went to her side now. 5. I push her with the right hand and stop her as soon as she lands with the body weight on this leg and put the tap here, 6. Connection to the leg, leading here, not important, up is the leading, 7. 7, the leg is just leading support. 7, and then I bring her with the arms, with the frame, and stop her on the break, 8. Watch the position I have, guys. I'm on my right leg with the knees bent, so I can hold balance, and with the left on the tip there. 8. Then the next part, I push her with the right hand forward, and this is flow. It's like push, push, stop. Watch, with the right hand push, 1. I'm still on the right leg. Then the right hand stays here, and now I push with the left. 2, and I lose it. With the right hand, I give her the direction there, free, and catch, and then I close 4. And then just make a break, 5. I'm making the power here. Be careful, don't catch here. Don't catch like this. You need to make this point away. So 5, 6, and then go with her 7, 8. While I'm making this 5, 6, I can put the right hand if I want to. 5, 6, or I can put it even on the 7, 8. 7, 8, and get close. How do you want? Okay?